Yep. That's I think it's 25-pound bottle jammed in there back behind my kegs. You can see it. Get up under here a little bit. There's the gauge, 2 kegs, and right now I am force carbonating an IPA. So what I'm going to do is stick with me here, folks. Try and set up a little bit here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Bear with me. There we go. I can't really. So right now, this is the bottle right here that's normally inside there. This is a little 5-pounder. It's always worked good, but I was able to acquire that. I think it's a 30-pound bottle, and I figured that I'd try and. Yeah, originally what I wanted to do was actually hook it up on the outside so that I could just run the line in through, and that way I could run the line through the side of the cage or the refrigerator and change the bottle from the outside and give me a little more refrigerator space on the inside. But unfortunately, my little bottle ran out before I got to that, and I had a keg come empty. Finger down in case you're wondering what I'm doing. I've got, let me get this up a little bit more here. I've got 5 gallons of an IPA in this here keg. I've got the pressure jacked up to that's actually 28 pound, but I'm going to jack it up a little bit more. I like 30 pound for this. There. What I do is I gotta wipe that off my hands. There we go. I like to you can hear it bubble, but for about 5 or 6 minutes or so I will sit here and lay this on its side and shake it up real good. That allows the CO2 to mix into the beer real well, and usually probably tomorrow, by the time I get home, it'll be ready to go. She's filling up good. And then I'll throw this in there, and I got to put all this other liquor back in there that I had to take out. Hopefully I can get it all to fit back in again. But what I do is I have a manifold up here that I turn the other bottles off while I do this. They've got plenty of CO2 in them to hold them till, and I can always give them a quick blast here before I'm done, or right when I'm done. I put this in here. I'll just hit them both real quick, and that'll hold them until tomorrow when I come in and actually no, I'm not going to do that, because the one in the middle is damn near empty, and the other one doesn't need to be carbonated. It's lemonade, so it'll be fine the way it is. Now what I need to do is actually turn this bottle. This is the one that's pretty near empty. I need to turn him that way. We're going to go ahead and put this guy in there. behind this menagerie of hoses. Just around these bottles so that I'm behind these. There we go. There we go. And be over there. There we go. That should work. Ha! I didn't think I'd be able to fit that in there. Alrighty. That's like work. Holy shit. And it's pretty near midnight and I gotta go to work tomorrow. Oh well. You got a bunch of stuff going on. I'll probably try and empty that keg tomorrow and keg that other one. That way I got more. Well, I'll have 2 full kegs in there then. I got a fat tire over there that needs to be kegged, and then my 2 dogs licking. I think I'll end up bottling that whole thing, which is good. Whew. Alrighty. Well, now I gotta try and fit all of that back in the refrigerator. All right. SJ Poor Little Face Brewing.